Yeah, that's right. Another microwave, another day, another destruction. With this third microwave, I am absolutely gonna obliterate it, and I'll show you why. Alright, you piece of junk. Let's see what we got. Steam fill out note that says do not use. Don't think I'll have to worry about that. We got the bed, wheel bed, and some kind of impeller. And this is the main reason. Look at this. Walmart. Freaking Walmart, what a joke. Too bad let a Walmart freaking microwave win. Anyway, yeah, it's like already half busted up on the controls here. It's a pretty standard microwave. You got the numbers to put in the theme and some basic default timers for common items like popcorn, potato, pizza. Nothing too special there. 700 watts, of course. Obviously, you should have known that. Open it up. Yeah, and it's pretty disgusting. No wonder they said do not use. I would not want to touch this with a 7-foot pole. Well, and that's why I'm gonna touch it with my like 2-foot microwave buster. Anyway, but before we do that, I have a better idea. So I know what you're thinking. This microwave is from Walmart, so the microwave buster will deal with it in like 2 seconds. It'll be the shortest video ever. Well, yeah, you're right. That's about something much better in mind. See, the Walmart microwave isn't worth my time, and it shouldn't be worth your time either. But I have a personal hatred for this Walmart microwave just because it's from Walmart. So I'm gonna toy with it a little. What I got in plan is we're gonna toss it into the abyss. Now, I kind of don't want it to go into the abyss because then I can't recover it and scrap the parts. So I want to land it right on the gravel down there. I'm gonna use my finger. Yeah, right there. Not like here, but like there. You know what I'm saying? So I can recover it. So that's what we're aiming for. Let's see what we got. Look at this piece of junk. I've only thrown it once, and the door's almost off, and so is the control panel. Well, anyway, I'm probably gonna have to do this like one-handed. So let's see how this goes. Oh gosh. All right. Die! Oh, I hit the tree. Let me throw the bus rack. Ah. Oh man. Well, let's go down and see the damages. Oh. 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 Alright, let's go see the damages on the microwave. So here we got the control panel. Now completely detached. What a piece of junk. Where am I? Oh yeah, the microwave. Where did the door go? Door? Ah, here it is. The door. Yeah, piece of junk door. Really nothing special about it. Just the fact that it's so bad you cannot believe it. Alright, let's kick it down. I might as well destroy it down here. In the abyss, you know? Or the part right above the abyss. I can like kick it so easy, like I'm not even kicking, I'm just pushing it. It's like, it's so low power. The parts are just like really light. I bet bet I can just like stand on it and it'll already be kind of messed up. Okay, well, maybe not. Oh yeah, a little bit. A little bit more. Huh. This doesn't even touch. Anyway, yeah, I already kind of did a number of it just by doing my usual of like standing on it. Boing, boing, boing. I could take the buzzer to it, which I think would be funny. And I think I will, actually, yeah. Yeah, let's do it. I could try and move it apart. That's no fun, right? It is. So, another day. Another microwave destroyed. I told you, they can't, especially Walmart. Walmart, they can make microwaves too easily. They can't. I'm too good at destroying this. I probably destroyed more microwaves than 99% of the population. Minimum. And yes, I am counting waste disposal. Ooh, I broke the metal. Oh yeah, it's all kinds of messed up now. You gotta look at this. Look at that. Then boom, check the front. It's done for. Literally done for. I could probably apply the part right now. This one, stupid Walmart microwave, understand. If you see here, we almost got the complete pinch, which basically once it's pinched, there's very little you can do unless you just stand here hammering it for hours, make it perfectly flat. The push is pretty good. Screw all my wrong. See if I can paint. Right off. What a beautiful thing. Yeah, it quickly sustained major damage. Major damage to the outside. You can see there's just straight up a rip here from pressure and hair. Now, you may say it's like, oh, well, it's because you're hitting it with a 35-pound sledgehammer. That is the main reason. But normally it should last longer, it'd be a lot more durable. Like, this is very flimsy. It's like almost aluminum at it. Now we got the insides. I could smash this stuff. I think I will, just to get it out easier. So yeah, I'll get on that. There's no point really looking at it intact and in there. You can see it there. There's the I don't know what's called, like the heater off. This one has very little copper, which means probably low power. At least I think that's how it works. That part of the power supply in there, it's not coming out. It's in there. I already want it. I can't just want that copper there. It's really the only thing worth value. Like maybe some of the wires too. Yeah, have copper inside, of course. Turn it up. And then see if I can like pry it out. Get it in there. Like so good electric too. Now it's really just about how precise it can be. Hitting like the edge and such. Man, getting this cleaned up too, dude. I was just gonna stop here because it's really not working. That blew a whole clean through. No, dude. Look at this Walmart 40 microwave. It's the most pathetic one I've ever seen. I've seen a lot of microwaves. It deserves to be hammered more than necessary. Almost. Let's see. Where do I want to go? Where'd that copper go? Oh, there it is. Hey. Something like it. Something I can't do. Stop kidding. There, it's all smashed up now. There it is. Yeah, that's that. Let's do this. Alright, so now we're gonna do a quick parts review, or at least what's left of it. This is something. I believe it's what generates heat. There was a supply trip here. I believe it was being powered by these coppers. It is now gone. This is power supply right here. I don't even know what this was supposed to be. It's not much of anything now. This is what it is. There's a shell. There's like random bits everywhere. Like cleaning this up is gonna be a pain. So yeah, I really hope that they can do better at making microwaves that can actually take a beating. Walmart has, I mean, it was a joke that they even made a microwave. Imagine getting a microwave that becomes that. Do you want that microwave? I wouldn't want it. I wouldn't even want to put my name as a manufacturer of that microwave. I wouldn't even want to be associated with a company that makes a microwave like that. I wouldn't even want to touch a microwave after seeing that. It was horrid. It was disgusting. And most importantly, it was pathetic. They really gotta do better with this. They really gotta do better. But they can try it all they want. And at the end of the day, it will still be impossible for them to make a microwave that I cannot break.